The modern enterprise faces a digital challenge. You have to organize as an agile, creative, continuous innovation machine. Even for agile software enterprises, keeping up with ever-evolving client demands presents a clear and present challenge. With competitors continuously deploying improved tools and better solutions to the market, you have to speed up your development process and create updates faster to retain the loyalty of your clients. But for faster software development, you have to test quicker and better. Existing test automation platforms may help speed up your process ever so slightly, but these platforms are discrete, personalized solutions, relying heavily on coding and the developers who write them. It's still a time-consuming, human-centric process. Pushing for more software development engineers and test and better infrastructure might loosen the bottleneck, but it also means drastically increasing your investment. The status quo is to rush the testing process with the resources on hand to meet deadlines, often at the cost of compromised product quality. Either route is terrible for business. That's why Quinnox created a better option, Cognitive Test Cloud, an AI-driven, self-healing, software-as-a-service test automation platform that speeds up processes, reduces cost, and improves product quality. With a focus on user experience and simplicity, CTC swaps the coding environment for an intuitive UI, with artificial intelligence automating the testing and prediction process, meaning anyone can run software tests across any platform without being dependent on developers to write code. With AI algorithms learning from your test scripts, the more tests you run, the more efficient they get. Unlike other test automation software, CTC follows the App Store business model. In other words, you pay for the tools you need when you need them. CTC also has an embedded crowdsourcing solution that promotes collaborative reuse of test components across the enterprise. All you have to do is create once and share across projects. Don't worry about scalability. CTC is a native cloud application that can be used by anyone from small startups to global enterprises. Bottom line, you enhance the quality of your software products, reduce time to market, and save costs, all in one go. So, how do we do this? CTC can test any application that you access via a browser, mobile apps, and APIs. Testing web applications with CTC is a breeze. All your testing, including cross-browser and cross-platform testing, is automated without writing a single line of code. Instead of writing code to open a web page, the CTC taxonomy uses action types like launch and go-to URL. Fields are manipulated using location IDs. Can't find an element? Just give CTC a screenshot, and it'll automatically find and test the element for you. You can also record tests and import them as discrete, editable test scripts. But what about flaky tests? Automation and regression tests often fail because of flakiness, causing project delays that could have been avoided. CTC uses the Healer to solve these problems, a patent-pending AI algorithm that returns verified testing options to resolve flakiness. In other words, don't waste time checking your tests for errors manually. Healer checks your tests for you and recommends changes for a successful run. Comparative client outcomes have shown that CTC web testing is 4 times more efficient than existing processes, giving you a winning edge over the competition. But it doesn't stop here. CTC also hosts powerful tools to test mobile apps. Gypsy and Hawkeye are curiosity learning tools that automate regression testing on iOS and Android devices. Gypsy takes a nomadic route through your app, checking every element and mapping out every possible pathway for you. This way, elements that aren't functioning as intended can be tracked down and fixed in a matter of minutes. It's the fastest regression testing solution yet. Plus, Gypsy works on an extensive device farm, with every physical iOS and Android device available for your testing needs, so you don't have to worry about testing with emulators ever again. What about APIs? Legacy API testing processes are coding intensive, requiring up to 4 weeks to get the protocol test ready. CTC cuts that time frame down to a matter of days. An intuitive UI lets you test APIs and assertions in a code-free environment, even chain APIs together to execute linked processes. It's that simple. But what if you need to test software that combines all 3 components? That's why we created Omnichannel. Omnichannel lets you stitch API, web, and mobile components together to create end-to-end business processes for your testing needs. Build complex software processes that work across devices and use automation to test them quickly and efficiently. Intelligent, self-correcting, and predictive, Quinox CTC subtracts human dependency from the testing universe, helping agile businesses achieve faster software development for the first time. Improve test-to-feedback ratio, make testers your assets, and get your clients the solutions they need with Quinox CTC. Sign up for a free trial and create a faster development process. Have questions for us? Give our sales team a call so that they can assist you. Want more information? Visit our website.